Hey guys, it's Maddie here from House Beautiful. I'm the assistant social media editor, and today I'm going to show you all of the things I got from Crate & Barrel, Pier 1, and West Elm for your outdoor tabletops. Okay guys, so first place I went to was West Elm, and I got this amazing table runner. It's a woven fishnet table runner. It was only 30 bucks, and it's perfect because it kind of has that like nautical feel to it because of the fishnet. And I love that it's so neutral because you can really place any other colors with it and it's gonna look amazing. If whether you have reds, oranges, yellows, all of those colors, but also those blues and, like I said, those kind of nautical colors. And truly it was a necessity for me. So the next thing I got from West Elm is this beautiful serving tray. So one of my biggest pet peeves about the summer is when you have to run in and out outside and inside trying to get all your silverware, your napkins, your condiments. So I really wanted a nice big serving tray that I could easily bring in and out one time. I think the best part for me for this guy, besides the fact that it's beautiful, is that it's originally $70, but it's on sale right now for 41 bucks. So definitely run out and grab this now. So the next thing I got from West Elm is this adorable cooler. So it's originally $56, but it's on sale right now for $42. And this won't necessarily go on the table, I don't think. I just wanted something that I could keep ice in and keep my drinks cool nearby. Plus, once I saw this color, I was absolutely obsessed. And it's a really good size. It fits a lot inside. So you can easily throw ice and a couple drinks in it and you'll be good to go. So the next store I went to was Pier 1, and I am absolutely obsessed. So I got this stack of 4 salad plates, and these geometric patterns are so cute. And the best part, there's 2 amazing things about these. Number 1, they're regularly $20, on sale for $12. $12 for 4 plates, okay, amazing. Number 2, all of the plates have different patterns on them. So you can really kind of mix and match what you like. I just think they are so cute, and I can't get over the price, and they're adorable. So the next thing I got from Pier 1 are these adorable melamine plates. So first, dinner plate in coral, salad plate in turquoise, and these are from the same collection, and so they're perfect. You can kind of mix and match the colors, and they're just so bright and vibrant, and plus you really can't beat the price. So these were originally $6, and they're on sale for under 4 bucks. And the salad plates were originally $5, and they're on sale for under $3. So truly for the price, you cannot beat that. So the next thing I got is from Crate & Barrel. Look how beautiful these plates are. And I also got the matching salad bowls. Once again, you can kind of mix and match with all of these plates that I got and bowls. So the big plates were originally $6, on sale for under 4 bucks. The salad bowls were originally $5, on sale for under $3. Truly, I can't believe it. That's just an amazing deal. And I love these too because they're a little different than just like the plain colors because they have this like white stripe in them. So they really add a little bit of like texture to the table too. So this might be my favorite thing that I got. These glasses are adorable. They're just regular glasses with a rattan like cup holder almost. I just love the look of these, and I also feel like they add like almost a nautical feel to the table, and plus it really matches the table runner that I got. And these, once again, are such a good neutral that they'll go with any type of place setting you have. So I got 4 of these. They're only 10 bucks, and it comes out so you can easily put it in the dishwasher. $10 for these, I can't. I love them so much. So the last thing I got from Crate & Barrel, which was definitely my splurge item, are these really cute serving spoons. So I have a big salad bowl, but I don't have anything to serve the salad with, so I decided to get these. They have this nice marble handle. They're heavy, and they feel like good quality. They're $40, so definitely the splurge item here, but I honestly couldn't pass them up. Plus, I feel like you could use these year-round, and you're going to be totally fine. They're honestly just like, they just feel really good. They're heavy, they feel great, totally worth it. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you like everything that I got. I am pretty proud of myself, especially all those sale items. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment down below of what other shopping hauls you want to see, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Bye!